Chauri Chaura incident took place at Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur on February 4, 1922. Simla deputation consisting of 35 leaders of Muslim community meet to the Viceroy under the leadership of Sir Aga Khan in Simla on October 1, 1906. Which one of the following is not correct about the cabinet mission plan? Acceptance of Pakistan. The Constitution of India was framed by the Constituent Assembly under Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946. The East India Company was formed through the Royal Charter from Queen Elizabeth on December 31st, 1600 AD. The 18th Amendment Committee had how many members from both houses? (26). Tanda Dam is located in which province of Pakistan? Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. In which year the Zakat and Ushr Ordinance was promulgated, as a result of which the Zakat and Ushr Department came into existence? 1980. The total area of federally administered tribal areas FATA is 27,220 square kilometer. Pakistan's first commander-in-chief was Frank Massery, who announced the plan which is known as the 3rd June Plan. Lord Mountbatten. Baznama, the book Falconry, was authored by Khushhal Khan Khattak. The first Khilafat conference was held at Delhi in November 1919. When did Pakistan witness the imposition of the second martial law in its history? 1969. Pakistan officially joined SCO as a full member in which year? June 9, 2017. Which pass connects Chitral with Dheer in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Lowari Pass. When did China sign an air transport agreement with Pakistan? 1963. The Bogra formula, which was presented on 7th October 1953, is also called constitutional formula. The Lucknow Pact between the Congress and the Muslim League was signed in which year? December 1916. The ruins of Harappa were discovered in 1921 are located in Sahiwal.